Okay, so we put the tortillas here, right? Here into the griddle, right? And for that, we let it heat up for a little, and then we flip them. Yeah. The way I like to flip them, so you don't burn your hands, is pinch it a little bit in the middle and flip it. Yeah. You see, like that. Make sure you don't throw it up, because if not, it'll go like that, and it might fall off, which is not very good for cooking. You just want to pinch it a little, and just like that. It helps you grab it. Now for the quesadillas, we will be adding small pieces of mozzarella. Not big pieces like this, not thick like this. One like thin small pieces. Because the density of it would be, smaller. Since it has less to melt. But the mass of it will also be smaller since there is less of it. So then now, just pinch it a little like here. Pinch it a bit like here. Close it. Like this. You close it, right? Like this, right? And then like this. Like that, right? Make sure it doesn't open like this. Make sure you close it right, like this, which will be good for making quesadillas. Remember, do not make it like this, because this will take longer to melt, and it's way worse. Yeah. So we flip it every so often, like whenever you feel it's right to flip it, you flip it. Flip it every so often. The reason it's taking so long to melt. Como una cucharada. Así. Yeah, okay. The reason it's taking so long to melt is because the heat is changing the density of what's it called. It's just the density of the of the cheese inside, which it is melting it slowly but surely. You see, this is the reason we don't want big pieces like this, because density cannot change. And density can be changed, but it cannot be destroyed or created. So the only thing it's gonna do is spread out more and more, and we do not want it spilling on the outside of this, because that's gonna make a mess. First off, and second of all, you're just wasting cheese. That's why we do not want this to be like this. So now we flip it again. You see how here? You flip it so this doesn't get too burned. We want it a little bit crispy, so we let it be like that. Yeah. I mean, and for drinking, I'm making myself some coffee on the side. See right here? You see? You see the cheese right here is melting. So it's turning from a solid to a liquid, which is very good for the quesadilla, which also makes it really good for eating. Yeah. See right here? This is what we don't want right there. Because that is burnt cheese right there. We do not want that. But now that you look at it, now that you look at your quesadilla, the density of it will be changed a lot. And thank you very much for your time.